As you can see from the image on your screen right now, that is my YouTube channel's home screen on a laptop mockup. Let me show you how to do it. So here from Photopea's homepage we go to templates. I'll show you Photopea's own mockups. From here you find a lot of designs that you can choose from for different things. So I'm going to use this one, laptop mockup. I already have a screenshot of my YouTube channel on the laptop right now, on my PC. So you go to this layer, place design here. You will see this small square. Now double click on the small square here. It will open another tab in Photopea. So then you go to File, Open and Place. You choose the image you want to place in the mockup. Just stretch it out so it covers the black canvas. Don't forget to press Shift so that you will pull the image or make it bigger the same way you want it. Click the check mark, and then the last step is File, Save Smart Object. This one, Save Smart Object. Click it, Smart Object Updated. You can click this one, and here it is. Now you can see the image is there in the laptop screen. So it is simple as that. And if you want any more advice on Photopea and how to use it, please grab the free guide I have in the description. You'll find the link there. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.